Edo 2020. Obaseki, PDP campaign train don't carry word towards campaign enter Edo Central. PDP governorship candidate and governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, and PDP campaign train don't carry waka enter Edo Central as dem waka enter Ilushi to go campaign for there. Obaseki tell Ilushi people say im go do plenty things for them on top education, security, environment, roads and infrastructure. Governor Obaseki yarn say im don use the eye see say erosion don spoil their road finish and say for im second term im go do the road for them and im go do more on top agriculture so that their youths go get work.
I know that Ilushi and Ifeko Islands have been deprived over the years. Coming here now, I could see what erosion is doing at the banks of the Niger. And what struck me was that if we do not do something immediately, by the time I come back the next time, I may not even find a road to come to this palace. I also note with regret that much in terms of internal roads have not been done in this place. But I want to assure you that our government is not one that does not care or know what is going on. We are prioritizing. I'm sure you can see what we're doing in the area of agriculture in this kingdom. We believe that with the level of investments we're putting into rice cultivation here, in the next few years, Ilushi and its surrounding will be a different place to come to.
He tell Ilushi community and Ifeku community say him go do something about the wahala wey dem dey face on top security. He yarn say the people of Ward 9 where Ilushi and Ifeku communities dey na very special people to run and the administration. And na this one make wey wan build marine police post for there to improve their security.
I also want to inform you that we are very concerned about the security here. And we have decided to build a marine post. And we have actually purchased some gunboats for the police, which will be deployed in this axis.
The traditional ruler for Ilushi land, His Royal Highness Sonny Eye, and the traditional ruler for Ifeku land, His Royal Highness Anuka Peter, come talk say their eye don't see wetin Governor Godwin Obaseki don't do for their community, and then like am. Now this one make where them go tell their people to vote for him and his deputy to come back for second term.
We are aware of everything you are doing. We feel your impact in this very local government.
We want to thank you for the Skills Acquisition Center that has been built here. We thank you, Your Excellency, for considering Ilushi to have that type of project here. Our prayer is by September 19, Your Excellencies, you will return to the government house. I will charge you, Your Excellency, that on Christ, the solid rock is stand. All other ground is sinking.
Governor Obaseki come follow Ilushi people and say in don hear say na only headmaster them get for the school wey government build for them, and say im go give them correct teachers wey go be one of their own, and im go put plenty computer for the skill acquisition center wey im wan build for them.
PDP! They tell me say the school when we build, una get headmaster but una not get teacher. I don't tell them for Benin, I tell my commissioner, we go give una teacher, but the teacher will come from here. Una here, the teacher when we go hire for Nana here, we go hire them. Not be the one when we go hire for another place, we bring them come here. So the teacher when we go get for here, will teach the Peking for here. Una here? That not promise when I made to now. That we don't need election for us to give una teachers. I hear say una skill acquisition center was soon ready. That thing when they do now for now young people. Yes, sir. We go put computer, we go bring people to come train una, teach una handwork. Una see all this farm when we they set up for here. Una don't say we they do rice for Ilushi area. Yes, una don't see the tractors when they come clear. Yes. Those people, I don't want to make that they bring people from outside come. I want to make it be said that Ilushi people, and Ifeko Island people, now they work for them. Una know say we fit do this fish farming inside this river? Yes. Una know? Yes. That's the one we want to do with una. Ministry of Agri won't show una how to do real fish farming inside this water, so that una not going to suffer too much. But for all of these things when they talk to happen, it dey una hand. Yes, yes. Because you do for me, you vote for me, I work for you.
Chairman for Edo PDP Campaign Council Dan Obi talk say Esan land na PDP own and say the vote for Esan land na total.
Esan na the land of PDP districts, and the governor has joined is that the votes in Esan land would be total.
PDP State Chairman Tony Azibemi, Kenneth Imaswagbon and other leaders wey come from the area dey hopeful say the people go vote for PDP because na dem dey always win there before. Make una sabi say Obaseki begin word to word campaign so that him go experience wetin the people dey feel by himself and make him for using eye see as things be for their side. This one are the ogbonge informate wey carry come give una on top inside Edo today. As Governor Godwin Obaseki and PDP campaign train don carry campaign waka enter Edo Central and dem promise Ilushi and Ifeku communities security, education and plenty ogbonge things on top agriculture. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge informate come give una. My name na Edo Boko Edoleye.